I finally found my purpose in life. My name is Ryan Wheeler. I'm a production supervisor here at Treehouse Foods. Growing up as a young man in West Michigan, I had trouble finding my way. A lot of bumps in the road, to say the least, and I learned the hard way. The actual legal problems that set me back were one of the reasons that stopped me from going to school. My journey started through furniture manufacturing. Just being assembly production, I wanted more for myself. I firmly believe that if we stop learning as an individual, that we stop growing. School had a lot to do with my personal and professional growth. I was looking up scholarships while I was in school, and I discovered Discover Manufacturing. I don't fit the actual demographic of most college students, but I got a lot of experiences that a lot of college students could probably be inspired by. Driving to and from the campus in Grand Rapids and the campus in Holland, that takes a lot of gas money. Wear and tear on vehicles, not to mention food. That money is utilized in many ways, so it has been a blessing. Day to day, I try to keep production going through inspiring my employees. My daughter and my wife are my driving factor every day. My wife works very hard, and obviously making a better life for her and my daughter being able to do all the extracurricular things that I would love for her to do is very important for me. My name is Ryan Wheeler. This is my time, my life in manufacturing.